How to create account on zoro.to. So follow my steps and create a new account. First of all, open Zorato and then come on home page. You can see here option of login. Just click on here. Here is some option, welcome back, or you need to scroll it. Don't have an account and register option. Click on register option. You can see new window. There is some options you need to write. First of all, your name. Write here any of your names which was you want to give. Then next option is give the email address of your. You can give any email addresses like this one. There is password. Create any password around 6 or 7 digits. R- Write this password again in the confirmation password, similar password. Click on I am not a robot option and it's done. You need to click on register. It's taking some time and here is registration successful. Your account will be now ready. You can see your profile icon. Just click on here and here is a click on first number option profile. Click on here. You can see here is some details. Your account has been not verified. We could resend verification link. Okay, so when you click on here, your email address receive a verification code or link. Just here is a I have received. Welcome to Zora Enemy. Just click on this link and your account will be now verified. You can change some information like your password. Here is a change password option, and you can also change your name. Here is the option of your changing name. You can also add your photo which you want to add here some different avatars. Just click on here. You can taking anyone and just save it. So this is the process how can you create your account on Zoro. I hope you can understand.